In the early hours of one morning, Greta wakes her daughter.
Must you wake up? Go and wash your face, fill the teapot up, and get some fish from those fishermen.
Sure, but how many fish do you want?
It's up to you, dear, as long as you bring some home.
Mercy came back with fishes and her mother shouted at her.
Papa, Mercy, look at you. Are you out of your mind? That's too much. Who's going to buy all these fish? And plus, we have no fridge to put those fish.
Mommy, you told me it was up to me, so I picked the best fishes for us.
Go and cook those fish before it's too late.
This little girl does the cooking, and a few minutes later she calls her mom to come. Mom, let's eat, I'm hungry. They sat on the mat and ate. Later on, Mercy asked her mother, Mommy, how about the rest?
Just put them inside the bucket for the pigs.
For the pigs? And what about tomorrow, Mommy?
Just throw them away. Where are we going to store those leftovers? Because we have no safe, we have no refrigerator. Do you expect me to watch it from cats and dogs the whole night?
Whatever, Mom.
Ladies and gentlemen, we can see from this whole presentation that we have to think before we do something. For example, the girl Mercy could have just bought enough fish for the meal, but she did bought more and it had all gone to waste. Sometimes we shop or get the things beyond our needs. Things we won't really use, but just because it looks good in our shopping bag. I believe if we are to take a moment and think about steps or choices that we will make, we will be able to have a positive attitude towards our eating habits that will still be able to save what we need to save.
Tonight's theme, think, eat, save, will be 3 words that we can keep in mind if we wish to reduce your footprint. Thank you very much.
I give you my voice, together we make a stand. We're making the right choice for our future and for our children too. Hear the cries of the ocean, cries of caution from our ancestors. We can't be defeated. United we can win. This is my ocean, this is my future, my choice. This ocean is my home. This is our ocean, this is our future, our choice. The Pacific is my home. What would we say to our ancestors when all the fish are gone? If we fail to protect our home and all our future children to come, your hope lies in us. This is my ocean, this is my future, my choice. This ocean is my home. This is our ocean, this is our future, our trust. Pacific is my home. If we fail to protect our home and all our future children can come, the hope lies in us.
Come here, Dean.